time for another video. I just want to say, hey, thank you for tuning in to another Pinky Pink Wednesday episode. Today, as you can see, we have Rosetta, Sparkle and Shine, Rainbow High Girl here today to D-Box Jail for Pinky Pink Wednesday. Yay! So we're going to look at her box real quick. Here is her adorable box art. Says, shake the sparkle in the legs. See the little sparkle in the legs? See it moving? And it says Rosetta here, which is her name. And then Rainbow High, Sparkle and Shine. Then over here, it says Rainbow World. On this side, it just says Rosetta. Here's the barcode if you want to try and score her for yourself. Here is the back of the box with the new lineup of all the cute girls. This one is Clementine, this is Rosetta, this is Viola, and I still can't remember this girl's name, forgive me, but there is the back box art, super cute. Got my trusty scissors here, and we're gonna use them to D-Box Jail this beauty cutie. So without any more big talking, we're just gonna bust this girl out of her box jail and see what she's all about for this Pinky Pink Wednesday. So the next time you see her, she'll be all out of her box jail. All right, here she is, all D-Box jailed. She's so pink and cute. Oh my goodness, I can't, y'all. I'm super excited for her. All right, let's take a look at her cute accessories first. First, we have this adorable, this is like a sherbet colored ice cream cone. I just love it that it has the waffling texture on the cone part and the little like thing there where she can hold it. Super duper cute. And then there's this adorable little pastry with the strawberry on top. I'm not exactly sure what this is supposed to be, like pastry wise, but it is so detailed. Look at all that little like powdered sugar on top and the icing in the middle. So cute. Love it. And then we have her cell phone here with a unicorn on it and like rainbow in the background. Here's the back. It's sparkly, iridescent, shiny. Love it. And if you hear some crunchy noises in the background, that's my puppy again. He's always right next to me when I'm filming. Then this adorable pinky pink cat phone case. Can you stand it? It looks like a gummy bear. It is so cute. Now, I had some trouble with the Bestie Girl's phone not fitting in the case, so let's see if this one does. Yay, fits perfectly. Love it. And then we have the cute little kitty fan, so adorbs. I had it on her hand earlier, but super duper cute. I love the accessories with this girl. And then, strawberry, my favorite accessory of all, the strawberry purse. Can you stand it? And look at this. It even opens. Oh my goodness. I am so in love with this. If she only had one accessory and it was this, that would have been enough for me. I love it. I love the little strappy strap here, that it's like kind of metally toned, but that it's soft so that it can go on her arm. Just, I love this. I have no words. Love it. Now the main event. Rosetta. Now she did come with a stand. Yay. Look at this beautiful, my perfect pink sparkliness. Love the stand. Love that she came with the stand. So happy about it. And here this beautiful girl is. I cannot get over this girl's face. Look at how perfect it is. She's gorgeous in every single way. Now, I want to talk about her close up, but I want to do her hair first so that I can brush it because it's just too pretty not to. So, here is how she comes out of the box with this crazy like split apart box hair. Now I do have to say I'm pleasantly surprised. There's only a little product here in the bottom on both sides, but it was stuck to her leg because there's so much product in the ends here. But super soft, super gorge. So this is how she came straight out of the box. Her hair needs some attention, so I'm gonna do that off camera and then come back to ya. All right, y'all, movie magic for y'all, but took me a little time, but look at this. Oh, look at her hair, y'all. Just look at this beautiful mane of magical girl, pastel, kawaii loveliness. Look at this hair. It is so soft. It is so shiny. It is in all my most perfect pastel, lovely shades. Love this hair. I have to say, probably gonna get a second one of her just because the hair is so beautiful and the face is so beautiful, I want to be able to do a custom, but I want one like in her original form as well. Just this hair gets a 10 from me. I don't know about y'all, but in my experience, this is lovely. There was hardly any product in it, and I'm so happy for that. Just look at it. Look at this. Look at the braids. Look at the blend. And it's rooted quite nicely. It still does have the little peekaboo there at the top where she was in the box, but if I give this a wash and a treatment, it'll be perfect because you can't really see it. See, if you're picking at it, you can, but it's just gorgeous. I have no words for the hair. The hair gets a 10. The hair is amazing. The hair I love. Look at this. Just look at all the colors. I love the colors. I could go on forever about the hair, but I won't. So there is the hair. Love, love, love it. Pink, extreme loveliness. We did the hair. Now let's look at her face close up. Look at her cutie mark, little part there. She has beautiful, beautiful blushing, beautiful eye makeup. I am in love with this eye makeup. I don't know why. I'm not really like a neon fan, but I love the way they did this in the neon like yellow with the pink and then the like dusty blue purpley periwinkle color there. Then she has blushing on her nose. I don't know if you can tell that, but in the real light, she has blush on her nose. Beautiful eyebrows, adorable pink, pinky pink with a little bit of periwinkle blue purple here, baby hairs. Her lips are to die for. Now, I will say, I looked at several of these. This was my favorite face, so this is the one I grabbed, but these lips are gorgeous, y'all, with the like bee stung in the middle and then the lighter on the edges and the little teeth showing through with the little line in the cracks. Just beautiful. Now, some of them were different. I like this one's lips the best. I love her little soft blue eyes to go with her pink, pinky pinkness. And that is her beautiful face. I'll just do her ears since we're here. She has holes for earrings, but no earrings in the holes. So I will definitely be giving her some earrings because she is just too cute not to. This face, y'all. This face got me. I am in love, love, love with this gorgeous face. Since I did her face, I'm just going to do her articulation because she doesn't have as much. We all know that. She has the up, down, side, side, all around that I love. That's my most favorite one. So I'm glad they didn't like do away with that. She has the up, down, in, out, side, side, all around 360 at the shoulder there. And then she just has the elbow joint that goes back and forth and around. No wrist joint. And here are her hands. Nothing too special. I might paint her nails though. Super cute. And then she has the back and forth, in and out there at the leg. And then no knee articulation, obviously, because she has, I can get it to go. There we go. Sometimes it gets stuck. The sparkly legs. Look at the sparkle in the legs. I know that's kind of weird, but I actually quite love it. And I checked, she doesn't have the like upper body articulation, but she can like bend to sit. So not too bad. Not too bad, I have to say, for the reduced articulation. Now let's take a closer look at her cute little outfit pieces. Just look at this adorable pink short sleeve sweatshirt. I love the little kitty motif. Now this here in the front is a faux zip. So don't go pulling on it, you'll wreck it. It's faux, it's just for looks, but it is really cute. And the pockets here don't work, again, just for looks, but still super cute. Here are the little ties that are supposed to pull it. Now do these? Yeah, this actually works. See? It bunching it, so that actually works. The little strings on the hoodie part, that's awesome. And then here are the short sleeves on the hoodie sweatshirt thing here. It is hemmed all the way around. All parts of this are hemmed beautifully. Very, very nice. And then in the back here, it has the like faux where you can undo it and put it around her head. Otherwise it wouldn't fit. And it has the Velcro at the back, the nice Velcro that we like. And I'm actually gonna take this off so we can take a closer look at the rest of her pieces. Here's what it looks like on the inside. After you take it off, it is finished quite nicely. And then you just Velcro it back together here at the back and then at the hoodie part. That's how you get it off of her. And it was pretty simple, didn't have to tug on it a lot. Just Look at how cute this is. Is she not so already like a cute kawaii magical girl on her own? Adorbs. All right, here she is without the hoodie. This little rainbow top is adorable. I love it. I love the long sleeves. I love that it actually has a collar here that is finished. They are all hemmed all the way around. Look at how cute this is with the skirt. Oh, whatever this skirt is made out of, I love it. It is so super cute. It has the crotch catcher so it doesn't ride up. Love that. Just look at it all the way around. So super cute little schoolgirl skirt with all the coloring and everything. This is made really nice and it's lined. See? And hemmed nicely. Love, love, love this detail. Now it has the Velcro here that we like, but look at how long this nice little top is. It's very long. So you could style this up, use it with a bunch of different things. This also has the nice Velcro that we love from top to bottom here, see? And if you want to see, warning, doll nudity coming, just check her out, see what her body looks like. Because this is a new type of doll, I thought I would show you. This is what her body looks like without the clothing on. See? With the legs, if you can get it. There. See the little sparkles coming up? That's hilarious that they go all the way up. But that's what her little body looks like underneath her clothes. So there she is, all back together. Super, super cute. Love the outfit, I do have to say. Nothing about her so far that I don't love. Now, time for shoes, 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 shoes. Ha, ha, ha. Look at these. Are these not the cutest little high top magical girl kawaii cuteness? Look at all the detail painting. I love these. Let's take one off. Just wanted to see what her feet looked like with the shoe off. It's kind of odd being clear, I do have to say, but with the shoe on, you can't see it. So just wanted you all to see because she's new and I didn't know if other people would think to show that. So I did. So here she is, head to toe, side, front to back. Look at this hair again. Ooh, I love it. Look at it. Look at all the ringlet curls. There she is. This beautiful Rosetta for Pinky Pink Wednesday. Yay! So for me, as a dolly collector, I am biased because she is my pink dream extreme. I love her. She gets a 10 even with the reduced articulation simply because she is super pinky pink and I love her hair, I love her face, I love her outfit, everything, especially the accessories. So adorable. I'm definitely picking up a second one of these when they go on sale. So 10, 10, 10, 10s from me. Love, love, love this beautiful sparkle and shine rainbow high Rosetta. Definitely a thumbs up buy in my book. Even like I said, with the reduced articulation, everything was made very nicely. No cheap outs, good quality. She gets a stand, she gets a 10. So if you're on the fence, I would say if you're a pinkaholic like me, definitely pick her up because she is gorgeous. I do have to say real quick, I even like the little box backdrop. Definitely keeping that super duper cute. Well, y'all, we did it. And if you made it through to this point in the video with me, I have to say huge hugs and Pinky Pink Wednesday love to all you watchers and subscribers out there. Y'all are the best. I have to say a super huge thank you so much for being with me and for watching, y'all. As always, I hope everybody watching is well, happy, and safe, having a great, great, great Dolly Pinky Wednesday, and that all the good, best things that are in this life that can come to you, I honestly, truly hope they will. I have to say, great, big, huge, 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 lovely Pinky Wednesday subscriber love to all you wonderful, lovely, awesome subscribers out there. Our numbers just keep going up every single day in our great big Dolly Barbie YouTube family that we have built here, and that's because of y'all hitting that button, boop, saying we like your dolly silliness, dolly craziness, and dolly loveliness. So, have to say a super huge thank you for absolutely everything, y'all. If you haven't subscribed yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Come on, y'all. Come and join the great big Dolly Barbie YouTube family that we have built here, which grows by the day, which is so awesome. I can't believe we have reached so many Dolly hearts out there with our Dolly goodness that we share here. So if you want to become part of Pinky Pink Wednesday, deboxings, debox jailings, thrift hauls, DIYs, everything in the Dolly world that you can think of, I'm going to try it right here. And I've hopefully created a fun and safe happy Dolly space where we all can come together and share in the Dolly goodness. So if you want to become part of all of that Dolly goodness, come along and join us because we would love to have you. And as I always say and mean in every single way, absolutely everyone, no matter what you're into, is always welcome here. Well, y'all, we did it. We made it through another episode of Pinky Pink Wednesday. So y'all know what I'm gonna say. Happy Dolling, happy Dolly Day, happy pinkness, and bye, y'all.